I'm going to show you how you fix acoustic wall panel boards to a stud wall like this. Apply a good heavy line of adhesive, covering all the stud work where it's going to come into contact with the back of the board. Once you've done that, place the board into position. Start by gently pressing it at the bottom, same again in the middle and at the top. You'll start to feel the adhesive grab the board and hold it into position. Then you can move on to your second one. Again, covering the area of the stud, place the board in position and interlock the groove. Once you've got your second board into position, you can then apply a couple of screws top and bottom, holding it still until the adhesive is dry. Then you can continue to fit the rest of the boards in the same method, covering the stud work with the adhesive, interlocking the boards into place. So you may find you'll need a cut. Get a sharp trimming knife, mark your size and cut it through the foam. Then fix it into position just like the rest. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.